How to hide your Snap score from others on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about hiding your Snapchat score from others or your friends or anyone on the Snapchat. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply tap and launch the application. Once you do that, go to the profile section in the top left corner of the screen and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now simply scroll down and go to contact me option, that is in the privacy control settings. Simply tap on it and make sure that you change the settings to friends. Now if you want to hide your Snap score from a particular friend, you will need to remove that friend from your list. Once you do this, they won't be able to see your Snap score anymore. So currently there is no feature to hide your Snap score without removing friends. So this was all about it. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel.